In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money off of Fiverr by doing no work at all. The method that I'm going to show you requires you to do absolutely no work at all, just typing out a sentence or two on a website, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the steps that you need to make this method successful. As we know, technology is advancing, and we have technology now such as AI that all you have to do is ask a certain website a question and they will give you a whole feedback response, and they will give you a paragraph or even a whole story if you wanted to. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money off of Fiverr by selling freelance services to other entrepreneurs and other people trying to make things happen for themselves. If you don't know what Fiverr is a freelance website that has all types of entrepreneurs on there providing services such as making ebooks, making online stuff, making art, making cover art, thumbnails, editing videos, and so much more. And with the method I'm going to show you today, you can make money off of Fiverr by writing scripts or doing video voiceovers for YouTubers. My name's KINGLATTA, and this is Black Investors Group, where we make videos daily teaching you how to make money the easy way and how to make money online. Feel free to hit the link in the description and check out the Patreon, where we do have ebooks and courses on how to make crypto, how to make money online the easy way, and even how to start up businesses in multiple different niches, especially the trucking niche. Let's get straight into this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money off of Fiverr selling freelance products. Stay tuned to the end of this video. You don't want to miss anything because you can make $500 to even $1,000 a day with this method. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So, as you guys know, there are many YouTubers like me that need services such as video editing, thumbnails, clickbait, guys, all of that types of stuff. There are businesses out here that need online marketing. They need marketing agencies. They need people on their team to help their businesses grow. And there's also companies out here that need things such as scripts written and voiceovers completed. And now with YouTube automation, there is a lot of people that need these voiceovers. People are paying people to do voiceovers so that they can make faceless YouTube videos and put out content in bulk. Now, these voiceovers are absolutely a good idea, and this faceless YouTube automation is absolutely a good way to make passive income off of YouTube. So guys, it is a lot of people looking for voiceovers, and with this AI software I'm about to go over, you guys can make $100 to even $500 a day using this AI software that is absolutely free. So the software that I'm going to be going over with you guys today is called Lovo. Lovo is an AI voice generator that you can put any speech in it, and you can choose what voice you want to go on top of it from many different robots. All you have to do is go on Fiverr or Upwork, create yourself an account, guys, get a bunch of good examples and a bunch of good samples that you need so that you can start bringing in customers and start promoting out your services today. Once you have your account set up, all you have to do to make this method successful is let people know that you are doing video animation, guys. And the beauty about this method is that your customer doesn't even have to have their own script. You just need a brief about what they need done, and you can go to ChatGPT or OpenAI.com and search up a full script that needs to be written. Unlimited number of paragraphs, guys. So if you need a full 10-minute, even 20-minute video, you could get written a 20-minute script, guys. Yes, OpenAI is unlimited. It is absolutely working, and OpenAI is absolutely genius. So you could get a 20-minute script. Once you get your script from ChatGPT or OpenAI, after you ask it to write you a 30-minute video on geography or whatever, then now all you have to do is take that script that they have just transcribed you, take it to lovo.ai, upload it there, pick which voice you want, and you can send this straight over to your customer. Now, how much money are we talking? Guys, you can charge anywhere from as little as $5 per script to $20 per script depending on who you're working with. So if you are working with companies such as Fiverr, you could charge $10 per script because it is competitive over there and it's a lot of people charging, you know, $15. So be on the cheaper hand, because if you have 5 customers a day on Fiverr, you're now making $50 a day off of just that. And another way to boost up your money and to make this method go on blast is post ads, guys. You want to go on Indeed, you want to go on Craigslist and post your ads as well. And there are jobs that are advertising for script writers. So you can either write scripts or do voiceovers with Lovo.ai and OpenAI. They both pay about the same, but let's just say you get yourself a job for a script writer or a voiceover, and now this job is paying you to do 3 scripts per day for $15. You're making $45 at that application, that job off of Indeed that you just got, and now you're making $45 or $50 from Fiverr from your customers that you're consistently pulling in. And the good thing about this method as well is that if you're in the entertainment industry, if you're in this type of YouTube niche doing voiceovers or scripts, more than likely they're gonna need to be coming back to you. You're gonna be having return customers. So this $50 is gonna be pretty much coming to you on a daily, and as long as you scale up your customers, you could be making about 20 to 30 scripts, which is only gonna take you about 2 hours, because all you're doing is typing in a question on these AI websites. Now you could be making $200 to $300 making 20 scripts. The key to remember, guys, is that you're always gonna have to scale up, and that once you start this business, nothing good comes easy. So there's gonna be some learning curves and there's gonna be some hard work required. But the 2 main tools is OpenAI, where you can get a script written, and Lovo.ai, where you can get that script transcribed and had a voiceover made to it. YouTube automation is a big game changer in this generation nowadays, but like I said, guys, it's oversaturated, so there is a lot of money to go around for a lot of people. You want to hop on this wave now before a lot of people catch on. And this AI isn't something new, but a lot of people still don't know about it. So you can take this opportunity, take advantage of this. Go ahead and take advantage of these AI websites and start making money coming in fast by doing almost no work at all, just typing in a question on a website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make money off of Fiverr and Upwork, but we're not just talking about Fiverr, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and search up jobs for script writers or voiceover makers, guys. Search it up on Google and they will pop up, and you can apply and easily get approved. And now you have 3 clienteles just from people that need you to write 3 scripts per day. So now you got 9 constant scripts that you're writing. Then you still got your Fiverr freelance services that you're still bringing in a couple of customers per day. Don't sleep on AI, guys. Use this tool to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we're on our way to 100K and you don't want to miss anything. So hit that post notification button, because tomorrow we're talking about how to make even more money. My name is KINGLATTA. We make investing easy over here on Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo! If you haven't done so already, man, please go on the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. Over on the Patreon, we have how to make money the easy way, how to boost your credit fast, and how to make money online in multiple different niches. Also, we have a full step-by-step startup on how to start your own trucking business. If you guys still have more questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. We do offer coaching calls for $10. You can either schedule a 10-minute conversation or a 30-minute conversation one-on-one with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the movement. This channel is on the way to 100K. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. Now let's go up together, make it to the top, and let's get this money.
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before